Hi friends, I'm here to share one more lesson for you this week. And our target today says, I can draw pictures to subtract. So we've worked on using objects, we've done using our fingers, and now we're going to practice using pictures to subtract. And a lot of times we need to use pictures when we're solving a word problem or a story problem. So I have one here for you today. It says, Max had 5 balloons. 3 balloons flew away. So make that picture in your mind, visualize it. He had 5 balloons and then 3 flew away. And our question says, how many balloons does Max have left? How many does he have now? So when we're using a picture, we know that it has to be a math picture, something really quick. So I'm not going to do my best balloon with a string. I'm going to think of a really quick something that I can draw to show how many. So Max started with 5 balloons. So I'm going to just use little circles for the balloons. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They're not squashed together. They're not huge. Just nice and small. And then I need to show what happened next. Next, 3 balloons flew away. Let's think. Can I leave a space and put 3 more over here? Because 3 more balloons, he didn't get 3 more. 3 of those balloons flew away. So I'm not adding any more. I am subtracting, taking away. And when we take away and we show on a picture, we can just cross it out. So I'm showing that 3 balloons went away. Here we go. 1 balloon flew away, 2 balloons flew away, and 3 balloons flew away. And now we need to know, how many balloons does Max have left? How many are not crossed off? We still have 1, 2. So 2 balloons are how many he has left. That's our answer. He has 2 balloons left. Now we can even put that into an equation. We start with how many Max had at the very beginning. He was holding on to how many? At the beginning he had 5. So we start with that number, 5. And here comes our equation and our sign. We're not adding, so we can't do a plus sign. That means more balloons came, but we know that the balloons left. They went away, so we use our minus sign. Minus means take away. And we know that 3 balloons went away. 1, 2, 3. So we do 3 here. And we say 5 take away 3 equals, and how many did we have left? Max had 2 balloons left. So we say 5 minus 3 equals 2. So when you have a problem or a story problem or even an equation, you can use a picture to help you solve how many are left after you take some away. All right, friends, so good to see you, and big hugs. Bye-bye.